Hello po! Ako po ay nagbabalik as part of our information education campaign at upang magbigay ng o patuloy na magbigay ng kaalaman ukol sa mandato ng aming ahensya, jurisdiction at rules. This year po ay magkakaroon ng ibang konsepto ang mga videos na gagawin namin dito. Kasi ako po ay magkakaroon ng kasama another HSAC lawyer, Attorney Danica.
Hello po sa lahat. Maayong adlaw sa tanan labi na sa mga katauhan diri sa Region 9. Ako di ay si Attorney Danica.
At ang magiging pamagat po ng segment namin ay
Aha!
Mao di ay. So, sa episode po na ito, ay i-discuss namin ang license to sell, the nature and purpose, the effect of the lack thereof, and remedies. So, what is the nature of license to sell? Under Section 5 of PD 957, it is the authority given to an owner of the land or registered developer to sell the project. Upon the registration of the owner of a parcel of land who wishes to convert their land to a subdivision project through the submission of a subdivision plan to DSUD shall issue a registration certificate to them upon a finding that the plan complies with the subdivision standards and regulations enforceable at the time the plan is submitted. So dito po ay napag-alaman natin na unang i-issue ng DSUD ay ang registration certificate, right?
Right, Attorney Lee. Kay under PD 957 or the Subdivision and Condominium Buyers Protective Decree, kinahanglan sa jud mokuha ang landowner or developer og certificate of registration og license to sell. But since ang topic man nato today is about license to sell, so Attorney Lee, unsa jud ay ning license to sell?
Yeah.
Usa ni siya ka certification gi-issue ngadto sa landowner or developer gikan sa Department of Human Settlements and Urban Development or DSUD, ay siya makapamaligya og yuta or housing unit sa usa ka subdivision or condominium project.
Okay, so under Section 5 of PD 957, such owner or dealer to whom has been issued a registration certificate shall not, however, be authorized to sell any subdivision lot or condominium unit in the registered project unless he shall have first obtained a license to sell the project within 2 weeks from the registration of such project.
So, importante jud no ning license to sell.
Okay. So, buot ba napasabot, Attorney Dan, nga kanang mga subdivision and condominium projects, dapat naa sila'y license to sell? Usa na sila ibaligya sa public?
Of course, Attorney Lee. Kay tungod, ang purpose sa license to sell is para na ay proof of legitimacy ang isa ka owner o developer og na siya financial stability na humanon ang isa ka subdivision project. Og magsilbi po ni siyang assurance sa buyer na ang project's building plans and specifications conform to the standards required by law.
Okay. So, since we already discussed the nature and purpose of the license to sell, now, ato na pong i-discuss ang effect. Ano ba yung effect ng lack of license to sell? So, the lack of a license to sell, together with other relevant factors or grounds, may nullify a real contract.
So, ang addition po ani kung walay license to sell no, isa ka owner or developer is ma-penalize po sila na sila mabayran na administrative fines or pwede po sila ma-imprison under PD 957.
Okay. And sa buyer side, maglisod pod og pa-transfer sa inyong ngalan. Kay pangitaon man sa Registry of Deeds ang license to sell. So, unsa man ang mga remedies, unsa may angay buhaton kanang kung makapalita og mga project o subdivision nga walay license to sell. So, any buyer may report an unlicensed project to the regional office of DSUD to where the project is located for any assistance in relation to the purchase of a housing unit in an unlicensed project.
Yes. Any buyer may also file a formal complaint relating to the civil aspect of the case against the developer here in HSAC. So meaning ani, pwede ang buyer muadto sa dito sa DSUD to seek public assistance or mo direct sa HSAC to file a formal complaint.
Okay. So, does that mean, or atong agency diri sa HSAC, do we have the power to stop a developer who lacks the license to sell from operating or continuing its business of selling units or houses? Or do we have the power to order a business closure?
No, we don't have the power to stop a business from operating because only the DSUD has the power or authority to issue a cease and desist order.
Okay, so that is under Section 16 of PD 957, the cease and desist order. So, nanapog ko'y another question. Can criminal cases be filed with HSAC against those fraudulent developers or owners?
No, dili pwede na ang criminal cases i-file sa HSAC because it is the regular court that has jurisdiction over these cases.
Okay, so katong mga nungutana sa mga nakapalit nga walay license to sell, itong ingon mo nga nailad mo, so ang estafa dili na siya pwede ma-file diri sa amo. Walay jurisdiction ng HSAC ana.
Yes.
Dito lang na sa
Regular courts.
Okay. So that would be it for this episode. And sa lahat po ng tumatangkilik ng mga videos namin dito sa HSAC, maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much.
And we will see you all in our next episode. Diri sa Aha! Maudi ay!
Bye!
Bye!